Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now, if you're picking up a new Mustang Dark Horse, make sure you grab one of our new Plinths because you don't want this on your car. Let me explain. So, why don't you want the dealership one and why do you want our small Plinth instead? So there's a few important points. First of all, of course, this box is ugly. This goes about there and the holes mount up there on the plate. It doesn't look good. It just takes away the aesthetics of the car. There's too much excess material. But this is the main reason why we've designed it to be so small. There's two factory drill points there which line up on the Plinth. So if you go for a small specialty plate, your holes are going to be past the plate and you're going to have that forever, which is going to be, you're going to be really upset with that. So put this on instead, plates mount on, and you get a nice, beautiful mounted plate in your new car. So how does installation work? It's quite easy. Now this is going to work best on a brand new car, so that way you don't have unnecessary holes onto the car, and the only holes in the drill are the two in the middle, which is always going to be covered up by a number plate. So this is a two-part mounting system. So one is the Plinth, two, and you pair it up with a aluminium bracket that suits your number plate style. So if you have a slimline, you grab a slimline bracket. If you have a signature plate, you grab a signature bracket to go on the car. So this bolts onto the Plinth and the Plinth goes on to the car. Now ready to install. So all we're gonna do is line up the Plinth, mark out the holes, pilot hole, and then we'll get the Plinth put on the car. Now that you have the holes drilled out, all you need to do is screw in the screws provided with the kit. Now this is how it should have come from factory, not like this. Right? The Plinth is on, and now it's for the second part, the number plate bracket. So you need to choose the correct bracket to suit your number plate style. This is a modular piece, so it suits pretty much all our brackets that we sell, and it does suit plates all across Australia. So if you have a slimline, you grab a slimline bracket to bolt on. If you have a signature, you'll grab a signature bracket to put on the car, and this is the one we'll be using today. Now that we've shown you how to install custom plates, we're going to put on the customer's plate now, which is the signature plate. Now, we're not going to use the factory bracket. It's mild steel. You can drill into them, but they rust. Water collects here. It rusts. It's just garbage, really. So we're going to use our own mounting system, which is compatible with our Plinth, and then we'll just put our bracket on. Easy. Installation all done without using the factory Ford mounting bracket, which is a little bit smaller, cleaner, and you're not going to have holes that you're going to regret. If this is already installed, that's okay. You give me a call and I'll sort you out. I hope this video was useful and thanks for watching.